Hello guys, my name is MauLidya.Arzaqina and welcome to Lydia. Yes, because I'm a student college, so I want to show you my student identity number. My student identity number is 2451105001110 and 5. So here today we're gonna be making gimbap Korean seaweed rice rolls. Since there are lots and lots of beautiful fillings in the rolls, you may think making kimbap is quite complicated. But the thing is, as long as you have two bad boys dry seaweed and rice, so you can call it kimbap, which means these are most important ingredients. So the ingredients that we must have is the first rice, second dry seaweed or seaweed sheet nori, third vegetables like carrot, and seasoning like sausage, optional. And yeah, so we just do the step. The first step is prepare fillings like cut vegetables, slice your chosen vegetables, and the seasoning. Toss the vegetables in a mixture of sea sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. And set up workspace, please place a nori sheet on the bamboo mat, maybe you have, and add the rice, add the fillings, roll the kimbap, and try again to all your seaweed have, and yeah, tada! Cut and serve, and we did it. Looks like it's really delicious, isn't it? It is a simple way, and happy eating! Hello everyone. So I'm sorry I'm a little bit lazy, but I will give my power. Okay, so in this video I want to share you my eating habits. My eating habits are pretty flexible and often adapt to the flow of my day. Some days I might find myself eating just once or twice, focusing on quick and convenient options. I might skip altogether for breakfast or grab something like a glass of juice, or lunch may be a simple meal of rice with a side of vegetables or protein. Okay guys, you know how to make a kimbap, right? So don't forget to using my my procedure to make a kimbap, because it's really delicious. So don't forget to choose what you want to eat, what you want to drink. Consider about that, because your habit is point to your future, like what you eat, what you do, and what is your habit, what's your activity. Yeah, it's concerned about how in the future. So maybe enough, and thank you for your listening, watching, and bye bye. We will meet in the next video.